Hello guys, welcome back to We're playing Simon Says in Roblox. Can you hear my voice? I guess the Simon is nice enough he's the worst Simon ever. He said, "Free time." Grandma can dance. I am back. My beak will break. Oh, he said my back will break. The next round is about to begin. Again. The theme will be, I don't know. 3, 2, 1, begin. What do we have to do? I'm gonna shoot. Oh, that was close. Wait! Oh, that almost got me. Oh gosh, this is intense. Medium. No, please, spare me. No, don't push me off, bro. What? Lost connection. Sucks. Well, but guess what? I've got to play a new game, guys. Ugh. What game do you want to play, guys? What game do I want to play? I want to play Slendy Tubbies, guys. Night City, welcome to And you're wondering what this game is? It's a long story. I'll talk about it in another video. I want me to tell you guys right now. I want it later. You want spoilers? No, you don't. Okay, we have this push thing to push people. Hi, bud. I'm gonna push you. Face plam. K.O. K.O. What is these people doing here? They just yeet. Oh, this person. Hiya, bud. I didn't push him over? Come on. See my hand. Oh. I have to wait 15 seconds for my hands to reload. Oh, my hand's gun. Pew pew! My hands are guns. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's do it. Push you over? I'm a bully. Hello, bacon man. Bacon dude. Hello, bacon. I'm coming for your dude. Come on. He pushed me over. I gotta walk up the stairs. You know what? I'm tired of walking on the stairs. I fell on the stairs. Get me back up. I get back up and then I fall down again. Get back up and fall down again. Isn't my life so hard? Oh, I break every bone. Hey, dude. Wanna get pushed? Look at his body just flopping. Oh gosh, he's coming for me. He's coming. Ah! He's coming. Oh no. Oh no, he's got a grenade. He's got a grenade. Oh no. Come on, go quick, quick, quick. No, he's got on it. Oh, I jumped over him. Come on, guys. Just start the balloon. Start the balloon. Come on, brother. Come on, brother. I fell down. He has defeated me with his kung fu. I feel like I'm gonna lose connection. No. Hey guys, I wanna join you. Oh, that guy just flew me by getting up. He got back up again. No. 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 It's gonna. Oh, this is good. No. Oh no, ball. Oh no. Oh, I dodged it. Okay, we're gonna do the glitch. This is like a glitch I'm gonna do. Oh no, he's catching up. The glitch was supposed to be I flung up into the. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ah! He's coming for me, booty. Oh, stop. Get away from him. Oh, he's made it up here. Oh gosh. He killed himself. He killed himself. With one finger, I killed him with it. Okay. Ooh. Let's explore. Ow. By breaking my bones. I ragdoll a lot. Oh, look at that guy. He got flung into the air. He just doesn't even care. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you a glitch in here. Okay, so go to the very edge of here of the diving board and ragdoll engine and just press F. Or if you're on mobile, press doll. And then you go up into the air and you fly. Telling the children teeth to get away from the enemies. This person is still here when I push them over. They're still there when I push them over. Oh, that man went flying. Bab. What is she doing? Get up, person. And I gave it everywhere. And I just throw it up into the air. And give it everywhere. And I just jump right into the air. No, it's a flare. Oh, look at that. Okay, now, let me push her. Oh, I didn't push her. She failed. Get it next time. Noobs, they just oof, 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 oof. Kids, don't listen to the noob song. Like, it has a really bad word in it. You can listen to a oof song, but not the noob song. No, I'm telling you not to get in trouble, kids, because I got in trouble once. Okay, guys, I think I have to end the video right there. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And me just doing random stuff. Bye-bye. Yeah! Oh, I didn't fly. Well, bye, guys. Wait, I went on to... This is so... Okay, bye, guys.